Welcome back to my channel. Something a bit different today. I collect vintage office items and stationery, and this is a little banker's carousel, stamp carousel, cast iron, but it's a bit rusty and a bit squeaky. It would have been a black originally, so we're going to have a go at restoring it back to its former glory. Construction is quite simple, so it's dismantled into its parts. Nothing too much. I'm in my husband's workshop, and we're just gonna have a go on the wire wheel. So already you can start seeing the detail, the casting details appearing, and the rust is buffing off very easily. So had some help with my husband, so we attached this to a drawer, and then it made the handling easier. So this was my first time trying this, so don't be scared trying new things. My technique needs some work, but this is how far we've gone, and I'll do some fine work with a different tool still. I've got a pencil grinder which is attached to the compressor, I think, so I've got a little brush, and we're gonna give it a grind to get into the finer things. Again, first time using this, so I can do it, so can you. This little collar is a bit skew, so my husband's gonna pop it on the lathe and turn something. So that's assembled. I'll still prime and spray it, but after the lathing it's sitting much more level and turning much better. I will do the base and the shaft black, and the carousel I'll do in gold. So I'm keeping the shaft screwed in to protect the threads and things when spraying. I'm outside at the spray table. Remember, when using spray paints in a well-ventilated area, and the piece has also been wiped down from all dust. I am using the Rust-Oleum primer. The side's not being done because that is coated, and short, even bursts. This also has rust inhibitor, which is handy. Here we go with some gold. This is dry. This gets handled a lot because I intend to use it for my vintage office stamps or my wax seals, so I'm going to put a clear coat on it for protection. So all the parts are dried. The clear coat adds, it's quite tactile now, and I know that it can get a bit of a nudge and a bang every now and again. That's the parts. As I said, the back's not done. The little cover thing that went on the lathe was polished up, and then the rod isn't perfect because that gets covered. So now it's just to assemble. Very, very basic assembly. All the parts just slot in and screw in. This is, I mean, it's a heavy piece. and then perfect. There we go, assembled, and it takes the vintage wooden handled office stamps beautifully. I'm just going to take this out. Now that it's sprayed and with the clear coat, the casting details have really become much more visible, and I'll be happy to have this on my shelf. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you liked the restoration and if you'd like to see more of my DIY sort of office projects. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.